What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. I am inside of the HogOn Cafe doing some measurements now for some of my interior layout, and been trying to figure out how I'm going to lay out the full thing because I'm trying to do several things to utilize the space that I have. So over here, I was thinking about doing some type of like a little bar type deal here, kitchenette type thing, because I drink coffee, but I want to show if people doing the type of bar or to kind of give an idea of what that'll look like, over here. Then with the light displaying at the back, so I think it'll be more of a idea to have something over here on this corner, and then over on this side, it's more of the office type situation. I want to have a chair, well, not a chair, a couch actually there where people can come in and sit and talk like here. And the backdrop, I would like to have I'm gonna do a wood wall, like a reclaimed wood wall, but not the full wall, but a big section. And that's where I'm gonna have my names from all those who have been helping me out, supporting me, giving donations, sending prayers, those who been helping us get things off the ground, which you know who you are. I'm gonna dedicate that wall to y'all, to the people that actually helped me get things going. So that wall is gonna be pretty neat. Like I said, I'm gonna do some reclaimed wood, and my goal is from here. You see, I have this 5 foot and then this 4 foot. I'm gonna go from 4 foot back here, and I'm gonna use this part as the welding booth, which I'm gonna have this whole area where the welder be set up here, and I can teach sessions and from this end. So from there over, it'd be blocked off, and this would be like completely blocked off. And I was thinking right over here on this corner to add like a retail concession thing. Well, not concession, but where you get ready to pay to check out or whatever if you buy something. So I can have a wall here and a little deal there where a person can actually stand behind here to check people out, if someone wanted to buy something. Because I want to have things displayed on the wall here, some of the items. I want to have some type of display case here, in the corner, and then my desk or whatever setup gonna be over here. So that way I can sit here and communicate and have a display of the desk there, and then of the bar there that I was talking about, or the kitchenette, something. I'm still in between of the idea, but I got a good idea of what I want to do. So I was coming in here now just writing some things down, taking notes on how I want to utilize the space and taking photos, so that way the people that I'm gonna have help assist me with the interior can kind of know what we're dealing with and know what we're looking at. So that's what I'm doing on my Labor Day. I'm actually doing a little laboring, thinking, trying to figure out how I want to lay this all out. Like I said, I got a lot of space that's coming down. I'm gonna use some of it, but my goal is to spray foam the inside, to insulate it good for winter and summer. So that's my goal, to have it insulated good for both winter and summer. And my AC unit is also going to be on this side. So when the wall and the cap go in, the AC will be here, and that's another reason why my desk will be here. It'll shoot out. So I'm gonna have it where it'll be strong enough and powerful enough to shoot out, and then I'm going to have the fireplace for the summer. How you see those fireplaces that you can buy from Lowe's. So I'm gonna get one of those and make it cool looking, and probably put it inside of the bar thing here, like how make it, and then build the bar around it to where it can kind of like go on the inside of it, and it can shoot off the heat to heat up the area and make it look nice and modern. So my goal is to make it look modern, to give a person the ideal of imagine your container or what you can do. But I just wanted to show you how I started. For those who've been following me, they know I've been on it. I started from just getting it, finding the actual container. I got a deal on it, and then we've been doing the modifications. But now, as you see, I got the floor cut, which cutting it in half is the easy part. I actually just been waiting, getting my capping together, which I released a few videos of me showing you the capping. So this is actually, I would say, stage what does it be, 14 or 15? I think 15, because 14 is the staircase. So I'm working on that too. So this is the laying out of the interior. So I'm just trying to get my numbers together. Exactly how I just want to do it. Like I said, I have a few different ideas, and as I go, I come up with different things. And as I see photos, I see ideas, because I think that we should dream big. We should think big. We should have big imaginations. We should think outside of the box. Literally, this is a box that we need to think outside of, you know what I mean? To get a hog on, we're going to have to literally take a situation and create something that we need. So with this, it can help entrepreneurs, small business owners, people who actually want to be independent. Finally, independence, we're using these containers. So I want to lead by example. The HogOn Cafe is actually, like I say, going to be the storefront of the HogOn Welding School, which I'm going to use the money from this to help build everything. Like, I want to buy the land, I want to buy the property, buy the material for the building, and put it up myself, me and the crew. You know what I mean? We're going to do it. So my goal is to lead by example, but you have to start from somewhere. So that's what I'm doing now. Just seeing how much space right now I was in, how much space I got from the door when it opens.